Good evening. I am Anurag Chatterjee, currently pursuing BCA from Narula Institute of Technology and currently in third year. And today I am going to show you the project which I am working on right now, that is the virtual voice assistant. And so as I was saying, so this is the virtual voice assistant, the whole code and all. These are the modules that I have used and these are the functions that I have used. I have used some machine learning modules like speech recognition, then the GTTS and all these stuffs, and this is the entire working in which I will be interacting with the voice assistant throughout the project. So now let's run the project and show you the entire thing.
Good evening. I am Cassandra. How can I help you?
Hi.
Hello there. Next command, please.
Who are you?
I am Cassandra and I am the result of two innovative minds. Next command, please.
Are you better than Alexa?
I feel she is quite better than me. She is a nice voice assistant with having a lot of more features. Next command, please.
Open Google.
Okay, mate, here we go. Next command, please.
Open Microsoft Word.
Okay, mate, opening Word. Next command, please.
Send a mail.
Please enter your email address.
anuragchatterjee4@gmail.com.
Please enter your password. Please enter the recipient's email address.
anuragchatterjee4@gmail.com.
Please say the subject of the email.
This is a test mail.
Please say the content that you want me to write for you.
This is for testing. Please don't reply.
Your email has been sent.
So as you can see that only by
Next
interacting
command,
with the virtual voice assistant, I have tried to send a mail from here. So let's check whether the email has been received or not. So as you can see, my inbox is already open here. So as you can see, the email is being received. So this is the mail that I have sent to myself only. This is the like the body, and these are all the details. Play some songs.
Okay, here we go.